How often are you using heroin? Are you using every day? How much are you using? Okay. What's your name?
This is something Monica Scott does all day. Her phone rings and there's someone else on the other end who needs help, who probably got her number from someone else she's helped.
Okay, can you meet me at about 2 o'clock? Have a good day. I'll see you later. The good thing that I'm able to do is meet them where they are. And then from where they are, be able to assess them and hopefully be able to refer them somewhere that day. If not that day, within the next couple of days, have them a place to go to be able to seek help.
Scott was a substance abuser for more than 24 years. Heroin, cocaine, marijuana, alcohol, pills. She became homeless, turned to prostitution and drug dealing, and ended up going to prison.
I came home from prison after 4 years, 6 months, and 20 days to the Marian House. And that's when my life started.
After Marian House, she earned college degrees in human services and psychology.
Sorry, hello, substance abuse. This is Ms. Scott. How can I help you? Sure. What kind of help are you in need of, sir?
And a certificate in addiction counseling. She's pursuing a master's degree while working as a counselor and outreach worker for the Baltimore County health system. She says her troubled background makes her better at her job.
Because I've lived on both sides of the fence, I've lived on both sides of the tracks, so I can empathize from a personal perspective as well as from a professional perspective.
As she walks the streets of Baltimore, she encounters many of her success stories.
Hi, ladies. How y'all doing? We love you. I love y'all back. So those are some of the clients that I've assisted in the past. I'm glad to hear things are going well for you.
I am awesome.
Good.
Going to my daughter's graduation.
Wow. To your family? It is amazing when you see them and they see you 5-10 years later and say, I want to thank you for what you did for me, because you don't understand how much you just believing in me at that moment really helped me and what that meant to me at that moment. So those are the special moments that kind of like touch me personally.
Scott says she's an example of what an addict can do if given the appropriate support.
I survived active addiction. Do you really know what that means? That means that if I can overcome that with the help of a God, then I can overcome any other obstacle that is placed in my way, because it's not that heavy. It ain't that heavy.
Monica Scott has been clean from substance use for 8 years. Her work to help others reach the same success is not ending anytime soon. Tala Hadavi for VOA News, Baltimore, Maryland.